Hey there, what's up? Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a 3D text with blending tools in Adobe Illustrator. So I suggest you guys watch the video till the end. First of all, open your Illustrator. File, New. It takes some time. Look here to select the pixel. I selected already. And here 250, 200. Whatever you want. Create and type tool text. Type here Illustrator. Select this and font and select the best font. I select this. It's okay. And size, font size. Maximize the font size, clicking the up arrow. Okay. Yeah. Select the color, stroke. Simply select this color. Okay. And fill. Blank fill white. Awesome. It's looking good. And copy this text. Click the Ctrl and drag this text. Okay. And minimize this text. Click Shift with. Okay. Take it at the center and click the option arrange and bring send backward. Okay, click here the blend tool, double click here and select the specified step and select whatever you want. I type 35 and OK. Click here and drag and left. Okay. Did you go there? Illustrator. And again, text DESIGN. GN. Again click Alt and drag. It's okay. Here's Shift click and drag for small. Take this text at center. Make it bigger. It's perfect. Illustrator, design. Select the rectangle. Click Ctrl and backward. It's good. And if you want to save this picture in Illustrator. Here is the save, but in this file saves in PNG. So we have to go export as, and select here JPG and export. Same one के maximize and OK and done. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And one thing mostly important, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, watch the video.